Okay, for the first upgrade, I'm going to be installing the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam LED turn signals for the front turn signals on the bike. These are white LED running lights combined with amber turn signals, and it's supposed to give much greater visibility during the daytime. I know I have seen other guys on the road with these lights installed, and it looks almost like running lights in place of the turn signals. So they were pretty bright in the daytime. So let's give this a shot and see how they look. As you can see, I have the right directional on now, and you can see it, but we're right on top of the motorcycle. So these amber lights don't stand out very well during the daytime, I don't think, so we're going to change that. And there we have them installed, and the white LED lights are very bright. Simple enough to do. Pop off the old lens cap, wipe the dielectric grease off the bulb that you pull out, and you can see this bulb has a lot of gook on there. Just use a shop towel and get into the socket and clean it all out. It's just a bayonet mount. Put the new light in. There's even a slot for a flat-bladed screwdriver. You can twist that bayonet mount into place, coil up the wire, and fully seat the included lens cap. And that's all there is to it. Turn signals look good, nice and bright. And the four-ways look good. Those suckers are bright. Alright, that's it for the front turn signals.